Electrical connections should be reliable, clean, and built to last, especially in demanding environments like vehicles, boats, and outdoor equipment. These solder seal wire connectors are designed to simplify wiring jobs while delivering professional-grade results. With a smart one-step solder and seal process, they help you achieve secure, insulated, and waterproof connections without complex tools or techniques. Each connector features a transparent sleeve that allows precise inspection while inserting stripped wires, making alignment quick and accurate. The color-coded design helps you instantly identify the correct size for your wire gauge, saving time and reducing mistakes during installation. Different colors correspond to different wire ranges, making organization effortless even on larger projects. The advanced double-wall construction is what sets these connectors apart. An outer polyolefin heat shrink tube provides insulation and strain relief, while the inner hot melt adhesive flows when heated to create a watertight seal. As heat is applied, the tubing shrinks and the solder melts, flowing evenly through the exposed wire strands. This process ensures a strong electrical bond while preventing moisture, corrosion, and contamination from reaching the connection. Once cooled, the joint is firmly locked in place and resistant to vibration and movement. The solder core creates a solid connection that will not loosen or slip out over time, making these connectors ideal for marine, automotive, motorcycle, and electrical repair applications. They are especially useful in areas exposed to water, humidity, or temperature changes. The package includes 50 solder seal connectors in 4 sizes and colors, covering a wide range of wire gauges from small signal wires to heavier power cables. With durable nylon construction and carefully calibrated melting temperatures, these connectors deliver consistent results with standard heat guns. If you want faster, cleaner, and more dependable wiring connections, click the link in the video description to get this solder seal connector kit today. Subscribe to the channel to discover more tools and accessories that make electrical projects easier and more reliable.